Hi everyone, Carl Wheezer here. Welcome back to Carl Wheezer Vlogs. Today we're going to be trying the drink Prime. Let's go. Wow, this drink Prime is so very good, Jimmy. You gotta let Shane try it. Jimmy, do you have a croissant to go with it?